People eating a 3D printed pizza. How weird is that?
What do you mean, like paper?
No, like made with a 3D printer.
They can't eat it.
No, they did. Have you heard of these 3D printers?
Yeah, but you can't actually eat it.
Yes.
No, you can't.
You can. It's the future. People eating a 3D printed pizza.
What?
They printed a pizza and ate it.
Like what they did in Big Bang Theory.
I haven't seen that.
They've printed a whistle.
Yeah, you can do that, but they're doing it with food.
Paper one.
No, it's not paper. It's food, like cookies and pizza.
Who does that?
There's a company that's made this printer. They want to sell it for $2,000.
That's cheap. But
I
where do you
guess.
put the food? That's not
What
true.
yes,
You're
no,
telling me on.
it's real.
That's not
I just
real.
watched it with Hannah.
That's not true.
It is. I'll
It's
show
a
you.
joke.
I'll show it
It's
to
a
you
joke.
now.
It's a
I'll show
joke.
it to you.